Afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, May the 22nd here at KIT Iizuka. Sorry, it's not Wednesday, it's Thursday. Sorry, it is Thursday. This is fourth period for English 7D. There are a few things that we have to do today that are very important, but the most important thing is what we did last week. I have to make sure that everyone has a partner for the test. Because after today, the schedule has us from today. Today's the 22nd, okay? Now the 29th, there is no class for English because that's on the Tuesday schedule. We're on the Tuesday schedule for the 29th. So the next class after this will be our conversation test. To take this conversation test, you need a partner. If you don't have a partner, you will not be able to take the test properly. So I have to make sure that you have a partner. That's what I want to make sure that is done today. But before that, today for warm-up, we're going to be doing this shadowing on this article right here. We'll be doing that after I do my talk in English. You have another vocabulary quiz. This one is on the vocabulary that we studied last week in the pair work and in the group game. And in your reflection, okay? Don't forget that this is something that you have to do for every Friday. Some of you are still typing this. I don't want you to type this. I want you to write it out and then take a picture and then send that up. Do not write this on a word processor. I want you to think about it, and in your English, no software, no Google Translate, no ChatGPT, no software of any kind. Your English only. Write it out. Send it to me. Okay, so I'll be finishing this video. If you have any questions, please contact me here or at my email, jdmcruz@gmail.com. After this, I'll be talking a little bit more about the test and making sure that everybody has a partner. Okay, thanks very much, everybody. Let's have a good class.